Okay, it says use the quadratic formula to solve for the roots. So you want to identify your A, your B, and your C. Before you do that, though, make sure it's in the general form where you have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Make sure it equals 0. If it does not, you have to move those terms to the other side. It equals 0, so we could go ahead and identify our A, B, and C. So A is going to be 4, B is 1, and C is 3. So we'll go ahead and plug it into our quadratic formula. So we have x equals negative b, which is our negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 1 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 4, and then times c, which is 3, all over 2 times a. And again, by all over, it means that even the negative b part at the front is going to have the line under it. So we're going to simplify from here. So we have x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 16 times 3, which is 48, all over 8. From here, we can subtract 1 minus 48 to get negative 47. So x equals negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 47 all over 8. So since 47 does not have any perfect squares in it, we'll leave it alone. But since it has a negative sign here, we're going to put an I. So our final answer will be x equals negative 1 plus or minus I square root of 47 all over 8. So those would be our two roots. Negative 1 plus I square root of 47 over 8, and negative 1 minus I square root of 47 all over 8. So again, you need to make sure you simplify this radical completely. Do not just put this in the calculator because it will just say no real solution.